Jose, kicking off with another video from CVS Health. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a position that is a CSR position with Aetna, fully remote, and they also have other job opportunities as well on this website. I will go into more depths of that later on in other videos. Okay, the CSR position with Aetna with CVS Health. Now this is a job description for this company, this job. Okay, customer service representative is the face of Aetna and a past member's service, experienced by a manner of how customer service inquiries and problems via telephone, internet, or written correspondence are handled in a fast-paced environment. Customer inquiries are of basic and at times complex nature, engages, consults, and educates members based upon the members' unique needs, preferences, and understanding of Aetna's plans, tools, and resources to help guide the members along a clear path to care. Now, the pay range for this company for this job for being a CSR is minimum $17 an hour, maximum $27.16 per hour. Please keep in mind that this range represents the pay range of all positions in the job grade within which this position falls. The actual salary offer will take into account a wide range of factors including location. Required qualifications are 3 to 6 months customer service in medical field, 1 year call center experience, ability to multitask to accomplish workload efficiently, analytical skills, ability to maintain accuracy and production standards, technical skills, oral and written communication skills, problem solving skills, attention to detail and accuracy, negotiation skills as well. Preferred qualifications: experience in the production environment, customer service experiences in a transaction-based environment such as a call center or retail location preferred, demonstrating ability to be empathetic and compassionate, knowledge or medical experience preferred. Now, the educational level that they would want you to have to apply to this job is a high school diploma or equivalent. And this is the business overview of CVS Health. They're going into how they're a diverse, inclusion, and belonging every day. CVS Health is an affirmative action employer and is an equal opportunity employer as a physician owned businesses for which CVS Health, provides management services. We do not discriminate in recruiting, hiring, promotion, or any other personal action based on race, ethnicity, color, national origin, sex, gender, sexual orientation, gender identity or expression, religion, age, disability, protected veteran status, or any other characteristic protected by applicable federal, state, or local law. Now, it seems like something that you would like to do. Go ahead and apply, or if you know someone who would like to get into the health medical field, CVS Health is a perfect company to get into. And to see the customer service representative position um, they're currently hiring for this position at CVS Health right now. So that'll be all for this video. Diamonds keep on shining, keep on grinding, keep on doing what you have to do. Stay motivated. Don't let anyone deter you from your goals. Keep going. Keep doing what you have to do to prosper, to be flourish, and to go on to the next level in life and level up. Just be successful. That's all you can do. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.